Hello friends, in this lesson we will learn how to modify and control the hue and saturation of our image. Let's change the color of these flowers. Now again let's create an adjustment layer from here. I'll create a hue and saturation layer. We get this palette. It has three sliders: hue, saturation and lightness. The hue is the color value. If I move this slider, you can see that the color of the whole scene is changing. You can see that when I moved my slider here, the color of these flowers has changed to blue. What exactly is happening is described by these two color spectrums. This one at the top is the original spectrum and this one at the bottom is the modified one. This has been remapped by Photoshop according to the movement of this slider. Now look at this original spectrum. Our flowers were kind of pinkish color. Now those pixels have been remapped to blue just below it. This is the blue color and this was the original color and this is the remapped color. The trees were green and they have been remapped to reddish orangish color. Now this is the saturation slider. As I move it to the left, you can see that it desaturates our colors. To the far left, they have become gray. To the far right, it has intensified the color. Hope you understand. Now this slider here controls the darkness or the brightness of our scene. If I move the slider here, it makes it brighter and brighter and then washes it off. If I move it to the left, it darkens and darkens and darkens and makes it black. Now here we have this option called colorize. If I click it on, it will give a tint to our picture. We can change this tint to any color with this hue slider. It has given a single color, single tint to the whole image, but as we set our slider, we can give it any tint. With saturation, we can make this tint more intense or desaturate it. Another powerful feature of hue saturation adjustment is that we can control all the different channels. Let me turn off this colorize and let me reset. Now if we pull down this menu, it has many options. By default it is set to master and it controls the overall colors of everything in our scene. We can select any channel from here and remap its colors. Let us select green. You can see that Photoshop has marked this green area which it will remap. It also has these two sliders with which we can adjust the range of the selected colors. If we just want a little bit of green, we can do that, and if we want to change some more shades of green, we can do that by these sliders. Now if I move this slider, you can see that it is only changing the greens. It is not affecting our pink flowers. It is only affecting the green colors in the scene. Cool. But in some cases it might be difficult for us to determine which channels to use or which channels to remap. With these eyedropper tools, we can sample the color from the canvas. Just click on any color. As soon as I click here, you can see that Photoshop has created that range here, and now if I remap, it will change the colors of those channels only. Let's again reset it to default. Again, the best and easiest way is this interactive mode. With this active, we can just click on any area and Photoshop will determine those channels. And if I click and drag my mouse, you can see that the saturation value is changing. And if I control click and drag, the hue value changes. Again, go to any color, click and drag to change the saturation and control drag to change the hue. Now with this mask, we can mask out some areas which we do not want to be affected. To do so, switch this foreground color to black. It is already black. Take the paintbrush and start painting. The whole canvas was white, which meant that adjustment layer was affecting the whole picture. But I have painted this area black, it means it will not affect this area. Now if I change the hue, you can see that the color of that flower is not changing. If at any point we want to remove the mask, just paint with white. You can see in the mask that it has been painted white. Now the whole image will take the effect. We will talk about the masks in a later lesson. That's all for this lesson, friends. See you in the next lesson.